आज हमारा टॉपिक है टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शंस. So organic reactions have been classified mainly into four types: substitution reaction, addition reaction, elimination reactions, and rearrangement reactions. So first of all, we'll try to understand substitution reaction. What is substitution reaction? So substitution reaction is an organic reaction in which an atom or group of atoms is replaced or substituted by other atom or group of atoms. यानी एक ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें एक एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम्स रिप्लेस होते हैं या सबस्टिट्यूट होते हैं by some other atom or group of atoms. So let us take an example. If I take the reaction between bromomethane and sodium hydroxide, the reaction between bromomethane and sodium hydroxide is a substitution reaction. This is bromomethane, this is sodium hydroxide. I will get this is CH3OH, methanol plus sodium bromide. So this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. यहाँ पर ब्रोमीन होता है substitute by OH. ब्रोमीन होता है substitute OH से. So it is a substitution reaction. So this substitution reaction has been classified into three types. We have nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution. Number second, we have electrophilic substitution. And number third, we have free radical substitution. Substitution reaction. So first of all, we'll take nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is nucleophilic substitution reaction? It is a substitution reaction in which a nucleophile replaces, in which one nucleophile replaces other nucleophile from the substrate. For example, we have an organic substance, we have an organic molecule, we have CH3, this is Br, this is OH. It is a nucleophile. Nucleophile, we know nucleophile is actually nucleus loving or electron rich species. Attractive, this is very much reactive species, electron rich and nucleus loving. So it is a nucleophile, hydroxide ion. So यहाँ पर हमें मिलेगा CH3OH plus Br. यहाँ पर एक Br भी न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. So यहाँ पर OH एक न्यूक्लियोफाइल ने दूसरे न्यूक्लियोफाइल को रिप्लेस कर दिया. So this reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here in this reaction, OH, a nucleophile, replaces Br, a nucleophile. So strong nucleophile replaces weak nucleophile. Yeah, one nucleophile from the substrate replaces other nucleophile. यहाँ पर OH ने replace कर दिया Br को. So it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So what we have electrophilic substitution. So it is an organic. It is a substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction is an organic reaction in which an electrophile replaces other electrophile from the substrate. यानी यहाँ पर एक electrophile we know that is electron seeking or electron deficient species. Electrophile means electron loving species. When one electrophile replaces other electrophile from the substrate, that is said to be electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, nitration of benzene is an electrophilic substitution reaction. This is benzene. If we treat this benzene with nitric acid, HNO3, this nitric acid, यहाँ से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकलेगा NO2 पॉजिटिव, ये एक इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है यहाँ पर नाइट्रो. So we'll get here this is NO2 plus H पॉजिटिव। यहाँ पर एक्चुअली यहाँ से ये नाइट्रो ग्रुप ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है, ये रिप्लेस करता है H को, यहाँ पर H पॉजिटिव को रिप्लेस करता है, NO2 करता है H पॉजिटिव को रिप्लेस। सो दिस नाइट्रेशन ऑफ बेंजीन, जो नाइट्रेशन ऑफ बेंजीन है, it is an electrophilic substitution reaction because the electrophile NO2 positive replaces H positive, ये H positive को replace करता है। So one electrophile replaces other electrophile. So this is electrophilic substitution reaction. So we have one more free radical substitution. Free radical substitution. यहाँ पर actually इसका जो mechanism होता है that is free radical based. For example reaction है यहाँ पर chlorination of methane. It is a free radical substitution reaction. Let's take an example. This is methane plus Cl2. ये chlorination है in presence of light. So we'll get CHCl3 plus HCl. So यहाँ पर this reaction जो है, ये वाली reaction, it is a फ्री रेडिकल बेस्ड है। ये फ्री रेडिकल बेस्ड, इसका मतलब है यहाँ पर फ्री रेडिकल करता है दूसरे फ्री रेडिकल को सबस्टिट्यूट, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर H फ्री रेडिकल है, उसको रिप्लेस करता है C अदर रेडिकल, ये करता है इसको रिप्लेस C अदर रेडिकल का मतलब है which has unpaired electron. So we have three types of substitution reactions. We have nucleophilic substitution, we have electrophilic substitution, and we have free radical substitution reaction. So in nucleophilic substitution, nucleophile reactive species involved. In electrophilic substitution, electrophile reactive species, electron different species is involved. And in free radical substitution, free radical, that means a reactive species having unpaired electron is involved. So now we have one more reaction, that is addition reaction. अब हमारे पास एक और है, that is called addition reaction. So what is addition reaction? Addition reaction is an organic reaction. जो ये addition reaction है, ये एक organic reaction, ये भी एक organic reaction है, in which two molecules react. इसमें two molecules react. Two molecules react to form a single product. To form a single product. A single product having all the atoms of the combining units. यानी दोनों यूनिट्स के सारे एटम्स उस प्रोडक्ट में होने चाहिए. So this is known as addition reaction. So addition reaction, जब दो मॉलिक्यूल्स आपस में रिएक्ट होते हैं, दो ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल्स आपस में रिएक्ट होते हैं टू गिव ए सिंगल प्रोडक्ट, फिर वो एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट देते हैं, मगर कंडीशन है वहां पर उस सिंगल प्रोडक्ट में सारे एटम्स होने चाहिए उन कंबाइनिंग यूनिट्स के. दैट इज सेड टू बी एडिशन रिएक्शन. लेट्स एन एग्जांपल. दिस इज एडिशन of bromine to ethene. Addition of bromine to ethene. I say reaction between bromine and ethene. So this is ethene, C double bond C. This is H and H. This is ethene. इसको हम करेंगे add bromine. So this addition takes place across the carbon multiple bond. So we'll get C single bond C. This is H and H. Single bond, यहाँ पर pi bond है, it will get split into two single bonds. This is one single bond, this is other single bond. So यहाँ पर bromine हो गया add across the carbon double bond. So this is the addition product. ये addition product है. Addition product. यहाँ दो मॉलिक्यूल्स रिएक्ट हो गए, उन्होंने एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट दे दिया, उसको बोलते हैं एडिशन प्रोडक्ट, और इसको हम एडक्ट भी बोलते हैं समटाइम्स. Yeah, or we can take one more reaction. We can take one more example, that is a reaction between propene and HBr, hydrogen bromide. So this is propene, CH2, this CH3, CH double bond CH2, this is propene plus HBr. We'll get this CH3, CH, this is Br, this is CH2, this is H. So यहाँ पर भी HBr हो गया, across the carbon carbon double bond you get add. So दो मॉलिक्यूल आपस में रिएक्ट हो गए, that means propene हो गए add to hydrogen bromide, and we get this is bromopropane बन गए, एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट बन गए यहाँ पर। अब ये एडिशन रिएक्शन है। अब ये एडिशन रिएक्शन भी हम उनको भी हम क्लासिफाई करते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ, यानी दीज एडिशन रिएक्शंस आर आल्सो क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 टाइप्स। इनको भी हम करते हैं 3 टाइप्स में हम क्लासिफाई करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन classified into 3 types based on the attacking reagent. Based on the attacking reagent. If the attacking reagent is nucleophile, it is said to be nucleophilic addition. उसको हम बोलते हैं nucleophilic addition. यानी अगर हम ऐड करिए सबस्ट्रेट को कोई न्यूक्लियोफाइल, that is nucleophilic addition. If the attack reagent is electrophile, अगर वो electrophile होगा, that में electron different species होगी वो, that is said to be electrophilic addition. And if the mechanism of the reaction involves free radical, that is said to be free radical addition, उसको बोलते हैं free radical addition. So यहाँ पर भी हमें addition के भी 3 किस्म हैं, that depends upon the attacking reagent. If the attacking reagent is nucleophile, that is said to be nucleophilic addition. If the attacking reagent is electrophile, it is said to be electrophilic addition. And if this attack reagent is free radical, that means the mechanism of the reaction involves free radical, that is free radical addition. उसको हम बोलते हैं free radical addition. So we have discussed 2 types of here organic reactions, that means substitution reaction and addition reaction. Remaining 2 reactions, elimination reaction and rearrangement reaction, we will discuss in lecture 2. Okay.